I'm going to show you how to put this 4-cube Better Homes and Gardens organizer together. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like when it's done. There's a lot of videos on here that, they show the finished product and how nice it is and this and that, but nobody shows you how to put it together. So let's do this. They give you these screws here for the ends, these plastic dowels for the shelves to stick together, an Allen wrench, and then they have caps to finish her off. I have a drill, I have a hex head bit in it that fits perfectly into these, or else you can use the Allen wrench. All right, we're gonna start off with 2 D panels and a C panel, okay? And we're just gonna be putting dowels in one side of one of the Ds, both sides of another part, one of the Ds, and both sides of a C panel. Here's your 2 D panels, here's your C panel, your 2 B panels, and your 2 A panels. So it's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces total. Now we're gonna again snap these 2 and this together with the plastic dowels quickly. And here's your C panel. You push these plastic dowels in there as far as they'll go on both ends, and then you grab 2 B panels, which is these panels right here. You grab and it'll look exactly like this. B panel, C panel in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna simply put the 2 D panels into the sides of the C panel. There's the D panels. That's what they're going to go into. They're going to go into the sides of the C panel on each side. This is the only part that's mildly confusing. You may think, well, why is there only one side of that 1 D panel that gets the pins? Well, it's because this D panel is shooting through, and you take the part that doesn't have the pins and it'll go on here this side. Then you'll be ready for both ends. Now we're going to simply grab our A panels and put them on one end and the other. Now you're simply going to take these screws and put them in, all 8 holes. There's 2, there's 2, there's 2, and there's 2. I only have 4, and the top one's in now because I just wanted to show you. You just line them up, make sure they're in the holes correctly. And again, you can use your Allen wrench, but myself, I'm just going to go ahead and use the drill. Don't tighten them all down until you got everything all shored up and everything's square. One thing you want to do is when you're putting these screws in, you want to sink them just a little bit, because these caps here, see that they just seem to hold a little bit better. When they're all the way at the surface, you really can't get the cap to fully adhere. It's going to be popping off. You're going to lose the cover. Pretty much it, folks. I got one more to put on, but there's a finished cube. There's a finished cube. And I've only been at it for like a half hour, and I'm doing the video. So you can do this if you grab yourself some today.